I get a little bit scared, guys, kasi saktong-sakto ba pag lampas namin sa police trooper, sumunod siya sa amin. Akala namin kami yung sinusundan niya. Thanks God, it's not. Yung naunang truck sa amin, yun yung sinastop ng trooper. Kung mahuli ka ng police trooper sa highway, for example, it's that speeding, over speeding, of course, violation mo na yan. And then, I don't know how much dito sa Nebraska, kasi sa California, one time, na-stop yung asawa ko for the over speeding, $500. Malaki-laki din yun. But at least, binabayaran niya, every month. May options naman sila sa mga bayarin. So, tapos na yun. Sa asawa ko, yung nahuli siya, that was 2 years ago na. So, yeah. That's one rules of the highways here. Kasi lahat ng highways dito, merong mga highway trooper na nakabantay lagi. I think not just only overspeeding pag hinihinto sila eh. Meron ding mga other issues. Ang ganda ng water tank, rainbow color. For my lunch is cereal with milk. Are we taking another highway, honey?
Yeah, I'm gonna go to Highway 680 and then from 680 to 29.
Is that a US highway?
No.
Oh, okay. Interstate? I don't see. Yeah. 680. Yeah, we're taking another highway. Have you seen the speed limit there, honey? There. 60. 60 speed limit. Be careful, honey. It's only 60. Dumi ng windshield namin. Daming bugs kasi. I don't know what is this city.
This is Omaha.
Omaha. Oh. Missouri River. We are now entering Iowa. The people of Iowa welcome you. State of Iowa na. Marami ding mais, oh. Daming mais, kabilaan. Ang laki-laki ang lawak, di ba? Ang lawak ng lupain. Wala kasi silang problema sa mga equipment o mga gamit ng farm kasi kumpleto na sila. Sana ganun din sa atin, no, sa Pilipinas. Especially yung nagtatanim ng mga palay. Ang hirap kaya, no? Nakayupo lagi. Sioux City, Des Moines. Des Moines? How to say that, honey? Des Moines? Des Moines. Without S? Same highway, honey? 680? Oh, okay. 29. We're heading now to Highway Interstate 29. There we go. South Dakota is coming. We're entering South Dakota. How many miles, honey, in Iowa only? How many miles? Iowa. Less than 100 miles? What's our ulam for today, honey? What did you boat? Tang-da-dang! Chicken! 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 Joke. At least we have ulam. Kain po! Dito in Saba. Sa South Dakota, guys. Puro farm lang din. No? Ayun, no? Puro lang mga mais nakikita ko. From Nebraska until dito. Mga mais na tanim. Farm. Oh, ano yun? Hi guys! Katakot naman tong ibang truck. Harurot ng harurot. Yeah, the diesel here is much cheaper, 309. I accompany my husband to go to the restaurant. It's not that big fuel station, guys. It's only 195 spot for the trucks. Papasok kami sa loob. We ordered chicken sandwich and fries. Nakaupo ako saglit dito sa barrier sa tabi ng kalsada, but it's not a highway. By the way, I'm wearing a t-shirt from Philippines. It's more fun in the Philippines. Oh. So hanggang dito lang, guys. Good night, guys. It's almost 8:30 na ng gabi dito from Nebraska. Bye, guys.